Hi guys, and welcome to this episode of Growing Home. Today we're excited to be making some wall sconces. We're going to be using wood, mason jars, and all of these materials here, putting them together to give you guys some beautiful lights to hang up. And let's get going.
So first we're going to sand down this piece of wood here, just like so. And then we're going to kind of whack it with a hammer, right? Just to give it a kind of distressed look.
Our next step is to put the stain on. We picked the espresso stain. It's a nice color. You can pick whichever color you want. You can also just paint these. Personally, we wanted to pick up the wood grain, thought it would look nice, but do what works in your decor and just have fun with it. That's the main thing. All right, guys, so our blocks of wood are done drying from the stain, and we're ready to go ahead and add our hardware to that. The first thing we're going to do is add our hooks for our mason jars to hang from. You want to make sure that this is as much in the middle as possible, and just go ahead and start screwing it in. Your next step is to make it so that your mason jar is ready to be hung. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we have enough of this cut to go all the way around the top of the mason jar underneath the lip of the lid. And then we are going to need to attach wire to this so that it dangles evenly from the hook. All right guys, so we have our lights in our mason jar, we have our lantern here, and it's ready to be put up on your wall. All you have to do is change out the batteries when you need to, and other than that, it's beautiful and ready to go. We hope you guys want to make some of these for your very own. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed the first part of this episode of Growing Home, but you might have noticed that it turned out a little bit different than we were hoping for. The mason jar was too large, and then the top of it was too small, and we couldn't fit the battery pack in there. But you know, there's one thing that we've learned doing these DIY projects, and that's sometimes you have to do them again. So
yes,
that's what we're going to do now. We went ahead and got smaller mason jars, which
so tiny.
And they're cute. They're adorable. And so now when it hangs, it's going to look a little bit better, I think, and it's going to fit your decor better. And plus, the battery pack fits right in there, so you're not going to have to hide that anywhere. And we can, if we want to, we can put a little dab of hot glue on here just to help hold it in place. I'm just kind of twisting this to try to get it as tight around this lid as possible. But I think that is absolutely adorable, and I am somewhat impressed. Try
Much better
again.
than the first.
So.
Okay, can we just talk for a second about how I have a very large shirt on? I have a tail too.
So these are called fairy lights, and you can do so many cool things with them. We're going to use them in our lanterns, of course. This is awesome.
It's beautiful.
So there you have it. This is our final product after 2 tries. And we're going to be giving away a pair of these. So make sure to tune in next week for that. And thanks for watching this episode of Growing Home.